Hi guys, just changed my oil on my Sprinter, put a new filter in there. I bought like one of those big 10 quart type of jugs, basically 2.5 gallons. That job is complete, and as you know, recently I have replaced my rear drive shaft, and now I'm going for a test drive. But my van has been sitting here for like about a couple weeks now. No, can't be a couple weeks, but I guess it has been really sitting for a couple weeks, and with all the holidays I wasn't really driving the drive shaft the way it was. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to go ahead and test it. I'm gonna go across my street and I'm gonna monitor any kind of vibrations at low speeds. Now, of course, if you guys don't know, this time I've replaced the drive shaft completely in one piece, so there shouldn't be any problems as far as balancing goes. It's already balanced, and even when you replace it in pieces, when it's already been balanced, shouldn't really be a problem. And I'm telling you from my experience. Now, somebody might tell you different, maybe they're right, I don't know. You know, I don't know everything, but from my experience, pretty good. Wasn't vibrating. However, I did start getting vibrations in about, I'd say, 30,000 miles, maybe less, and that's due to the fact that the carrier bearings, they were like really wore out, and one of them, the rubber piece, completely ended up touring, so it started kind of getting some vibrations. So I believe it has contributed to the fact that the drive shaft failed last time. Of course, that wasn't the same piece that I replaced that failed. It was a different piece, but you know, and it's a used drive shaft. I mean, this thing has 500,000 miles now. Let's see, almost 502,000 miles. So now we're going on the highway here at 55 miles an hour. No vibrations whatsoever, low speeds or high speeds. It's operating perfectly. Everything is going pretty well. So looks like a drive is going to be a success. And I'm not going to try to make this video longer than it should be. I am trying to make shorter videos, as you noticed, and I've been cutting some of my old ones down. And then some of the videos that I did live, I've realized at a later point that the sound wasn't there, and that's because I didn't realize this until that the Bluetooth, well, it was on, it was recording the sound from the Bluetooth. Therefore, it wasn't so good, it was subpar. But anyways, guys, it is a success. Everything's driving good. It's good to go. If you got any questions as far as drive shafts goes, if yours vibrating, please let me know in as much detail as possible what's going on. And even if you don't have a drive shaft issue, if you have some other issue, you could write in this video, in this same video. Even though it's off topic, it does not matter. I get all the comments all the same in the order that I receive them. I get them in, so it doesn't matter what video you leave them. I use YouTube Studio app. That means I get every single question, and no problem. I try to answer them best I can. So far, I'm able to manage the questions. Take care, guys. God bless you. See you guys in my next video.